Good afternoon from New York. We're bringing you urgent breaking news on what has been an incredibly turbulent day for Wall Street. The markets have taken a sharp dive following President Trump's latest tariff announcement, sparking a major sell-off. Investors are reacting fast, and as the closing bell rings, it's clear that today will go down as one of the most dramatic trading sessions in recent history. The ripple effect of this decision has sent shockwaves through all three major stock indexes. The Dow has plummeted over 4%, the S&P 500 has dropped significantly, and the NASDAQ has taken an even steeper hit of around 6%. This is no ordinary fluctuation. This is a major market shift. Unlike previous sell-offs where investors saw opportunities to buy low, today's market isn't bouncing back. The Dow has fallen nearly 1,700 points, the S&P 500 nearly 5%, and it's been the worst single-day drop for the NASDAQ since March 2020, when the world was dealing with the economic fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic. To put this in perspective, the last time we saw a Wall Street plunge like this was in 2022, during the height of inflation concerns. Investors are deeply worried about what these tariffs mean for international trade and how they'll impact global supply chains. A key index to watch is the Russell 2000, which tracks small businesses, the backbone of the U.S. economy. That index alone tumbled nearly 7% today, signaling broader economic concerns beyond just the big players on Wall Street. The messaging from the White House has been somewhat mixed. Officials insist that the tariff policy is a long-term economic strategy and not a short-term negotiation tactic. However, just moments ago, President Trump addressed reporters, saying he believes the U.S. economy will ultimately benefit. Let's hear his statement.
I think it's going very well. It was an operation, like when a patient gets operated on, and it's a big thing. I said this would exactly be the way it is. We have $6 or $7 trillion coming into our country, and we've never seen anything like it. The markets are going to boom, the stock is going to boom, the country is going to boom, and the rest of the world wants to see, is there any way they can make a deal? They've taken advantage of us for many, many years. For many years, we've been at the wrong side of the ball, and I'll tell you what, I think it's going to be unbelievable. The thing that people have to talk about, we're up almost to $7 trillion of investment coming into our country, and you'll see how it's going to turn out. Our country's going to boom.
Despite the president's optimism, financial analysts remain skeptical. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent acknowledged uncertainty about how these tariffs might impact consumer prices in the short term. Businesses are questioning whether they should invest now or hold back, and that hesitation can slow down economic growth. If spending and hiring stall, it raises concerns about a potential recession, though some experts argue the economy could still weather the storm. Absolutely, Lester. In trade wars, retaliation is almost inevitable. When one country imposes tariffs, others often respond with their own. That means American exports, especially in agriculture, technology, and manufacturing, could become prime targets. Industries like soybean farming, pork production, and tech services, where the U.S. holds a competitive edge, may face countermeasures from foreign governments looking to level the playing field. The market lost $2 trillion in value today, staggering numbers. The question is, will businesses see enough stability to invest, or will this uncertainty freeze economic growth? We'll be watching closely in the coming days to see how investors, policymakers, and global markets respond. This is a story that's far from over, and we at Black Culture Insights will keep you updated on all the latest developments. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest financial and political stories shaping our world. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.